A thought appeared during a morning walk. Why should HEM always begin from a blank slate? Structural engineering already contains countless FEM models, nodes, elements, materials, loads, boundary conditions. Decades of engineering knowledge are already stored inside them. Perhaps the first step of HEM is not to discard FEM. Perhaps it is simply to read FEM through a different lens. An FEM model already contains a large amount of information: nodes, elements, materials, loads, boundary conditions. HEM may be able to reuse much of that information. Instead of throwing the model away, the idea is to transform it. Node may become a space candidate. Element may become a seed candidate. At this stage, there are no final answers. The important thing is to begin asking questions. FEM usually begins with geometry. HEM may begin somewhere else. It may begin with Han. In structural engineering, perhaps the simplest Han is this: is it safe? Cracking, durability, deformation, fatigue, damage. All of them may simply be observations related to that single question. If Han is the question, seed may be the unit chosen to observe it. There may be no need to start with a large structure. A simple one-dimensional model may be enough. Sometimes a small model creates more questions. Is an element a seed? Is a node a reference point for space? What is a boundary? What does seed division mean? How should contact be defined? How should relation be defined? For now, the questions matter more than the answers. Model transformation may be more than a pre-processing step. It may become a place where HEM concepts are discovered. When a node-based FEM model is viewed as a seed-based HEM model, old assumptions may return as new questions. Contact, space, relation, boundary. And during that process, seed, Han, relation, space, contact, fusion, and fission may appear naturally. When they become necessary, there are no answers yet. The current idea is simple. Rather than building everything from the beginning, bring in an existing FEM model. Transform it from an HEM perspective. Observe the problems that appear. Through that process, HEM concepts may become clearer. If the idea is wrong, it can be revised. If it is useful, it may become part of the foundation. The current goal is not to build an HEM solver. The goal is to discover what is actually needed. The path begins with transforming an FEM model into an HEM model. Perhaps the true starting point of HEM is not a new solver. Perhaps it is model transformation. This is not a conclusion. It is only a record of thinking. Many parts may change later. Some ideas may disappear. Others may become clearer. For now, the record remains simple. A question appeared during a walk. And that question was written down in a small research note.